Right folks, I'm coming here to fish this bit. Hopefully some wrasse and some bass, because they're both coming here. And if I can get, I mean, this water is so clear. It's beautiful. Anyway, I'll bring you back when we get there. There's fish all here, look, jumping. Topping in front of me. I mean, I'm not sure what that means. They're everywhere here, look, in front of me. I'm trying with the top boat. They're everywhere, look. They're all here, look. I don't know if you can show on the camera, I hope you can, because they're everywhere. Just here, right in front of me. Not very good at the top water, I can't really do it. I'm not used to doing it. What's that? Fish jumping all around my lure. This is insane. I don't know if you're there, look. Right folks, this is an absolutely beautiful spot. I've had a little go with the top water, there's fish jumping everywhere. No luck. So I just put a soft plastic on because it just looks absolutely amazing. There's fish everywhere jumping, it just I don't know what they are, if I'm honest, but they're just jumping everywhere. I'm really not sure what they are. It's a little bait fish of some kind. And this is only a smaller. This is only a small soft plastic. What's that got stuck on, I wonder? Because yeah. I'll tell you something, it's absolutely beautiful in here. Well folks, I wasn't recording them, but I managed to windle out a wrasse out of here. Beautiful thing, look at that. Absolutely smashed that lure there, let me sort it out. Yeah folks, what a beautiful little fish that wrasse. The colours on that are amazing. In blues everywhere. And he's away. Spiked the little get. Look at how clear this water, it's not in the Mediterranean or somewhere, look at that. Honestly, I can see the fish, I can see my lure. It must be 10 foot deep. That's better. Honestly, it's so clear here, it's unreal. There's massive shoals of fish everywhere. tell you something, it's so clear. If you'd be snorkeling, you could snorkel, it'd be brilliant. Right folks, I've just watched a wrasse come and absolutely smash my lure. It come flying into it. Oh it is, look, can you see it? You see it, look? It just come flying into it. That was amazing. It come flying from 10 yards away just to nail that. That was amazing. This fishing is awesome. Right, let's get him unhooked. There he is, he's unhooked. Oh, it's only a tiny one. There we go. But wow. I know something, I was going to do that because I can see him coming. This is amazing fishing. I've never seen anything like it. I've never known anything like it or seen. I could see a fish or another one down there. I can see him. I can see there's another one down there at the bottom. I can see the fish. It's madness, really. Madness how that wrasse attacked that. Absolutely mad. Let's try this side. I can see loads more this side. I don't mean to bore you folks, but this is just too good to turn down when you can see what's going on. Oh, another one. Oh no, he came off. See if I'll come back for that. He came flying out there then. So I think it might be time for these little ones to go in. I wonder if he'll come back. He might have felt the hook. That was my fault because I didn't strike or anything then. Just let him take it. He just came out of, not a big fish. Not a big fish, but it's coming again. Got it this time. Got it. Oh no, I haven't again. What happened there? Why won't this? They're not quite taking it in. This is brilliant fishing. Well folks, that'll do it for that little session. It was only about 40 minutes, but I caught a few little wrasse. It was lovely. I could see them. It's like almost like stalking on like you do on the river. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll catch you in another one.